Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Chipotle gift card online. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Chipotle, click the Create an Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, you can easily use the gift card to order food from the Chipotle's website or through your mobile app without needing to carry a physical card. Especially useful during times when contactless transactions are preferred, using a gift card online minimizes physical interactions. For example, you can choose from different shop gift cards here in Chipotle. Now, I'm going to click on the e-gift card, which is the most popular gift cards that you can buy here in Chipotle. Now, when you do that, what will happen is you would be forwarded here and you just simply choose the gift card that you wanted. For example, for graduating or moving up students, you can click here. All right. Now, I'm going to choose the birthday gift card. Now, this one. Click on next step. What will happen is, essentially, you need to provide all the information here. Okay? Now, please notice that you need to figure out the amount that you wanted to put on the gift card. For example, it's going to be $25, $50, $75, and $100. Now, of course, if this is a gift, you need to put in the recipient's name, the first and last name, nickname if you wanted, like recipient's email address if you want it, because it's a gift card, it's not a physical card, right? So you need to put in the recipient's email. But the thing is, if this is a gift card for yourself just to purchase a lot of the items or foods here in Chipotle, click this is for me option and put it your message. Now you can send it now, but the thing is you can add it to your cart, and of course you need to provide the numbers, right? For example, I'm gonna put it in 20. You can click send now, or you can click on send later. When you click on send now, what will happen is, now another thing that you can do is to check your gift card balance. Make sure you have the 16-digit card number, okay? And then put it here plus the email address so you won't be giving the gift card balance mistakenly. After that, just go to the reload your gift card and put in your card number and just follow the on-screen instructions, and you would be able to use the Chipotle gift card online without any problem. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.